Nathan, and today we're going to make chocolate chip cookies. But first, we must clean our station, wash our hands, and put on an apron. So we're going to wash our hands. But since I already did, I'm gonna use sanitizer. Yeah, hand sanitizer. It's only one pump. Make sure to get everything in your hands. There. And then I'm gonna get some paper towels. We're gonna clean our station. Make sure to get every area. Okay. And the last step before we start is to put the apron on. Put this half a cup of butter inside this bowl. I'm doing it here. And now I'm going to melt this for 20 Celsius in the microwave. 20 seconds. We have to remove this on the side. Right here. And we're going to set the timer to 20 seconds and start. Okay, now we got our melted butter right here. Ooh, it's melted up. We start baking. We have to preheat this oven to 350 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna show the ingredients what we're supposed to have. So first we have melted butter, half a cup of melted butter, half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, and 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. And if you're wondering about the other ingredients, I will be measuring them with measuring spoons and measuring cups. So let's get started. First, we'll get our mixing bowl and put all the ingredients together. First, we're going to put the melted butter, and then the white sugar, and then brown sugar, one egg, and 3/4 of chocolate chips. So we're gonna need half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/3, and half a teaspoon. I'm gonna open this and make sure to measure it. Okay, now I'm gonna put it around. After that, we're going to put flour. Yes, one cup and a half. Okay. Now we have 1 cup right here. We're gonna scoop it from here. But we have to make sure to have this. Okay, so make sure it fills the whole cup. And I have to even it out. And put this onto our mixing bowl. And we get half a cup. 1/3 and a half. Half right here. I'll level it. And then we're gonna put it inside. So after that, we're just gonna put right here. We have 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So let's go find the 1/4 right here. Now, let's get salt. Just a tiny bit of salt. Spread it around. Okay, we're done with the salt. And we need baking soda. Half teaspoon of baking soda. Right here. Find half teaspoon. Right here. I'm gonna scoop out it. Now I got right here. Put this here. Put it back. And that's all we need. Yes. Oh, and don't forget, we need a whisk. This is the best part. Okay, we'll be whisking this. So make sure to whisk really hard since it's kind of tough, but not really. Just gotta keep mixing it. Gotta mix it until it becomes doughy. A kind of doughy feel. This is some hard mixing. And now we're back. Now we're back here, and I'm still mixing. And then the dough is looking pretty nice. Look how doughy it looks. Smells good. Looks got dough. Now we are ready to put the cookie dough onto the cookie tray, but we must spray it with cooking oil. Right. First, we get the edges. Make sure to get the edges. Then we spray the middle. Make sure it's like a zigzag shape. Ooh, looks nice. And now we'll put the cookie dough onto the tray. So you got the scooper. You gotta get the right amount and make sure to push it in, because you don't want to make it too big unless you want to. And then we'll put the cookie right onto the tray, right there, and make sure it's 2 inches apart. So we're gonna keep going. It's kind of hard to get the right amount, but you'll get used to it. So you push it in again, and put one right at the middle, right there. Yeah. And if you're wondering, the cookie dough will flatten itself when it's baked. We do the same process until the whole cookie tray is filled. So you're gonna do 3 here, 3 on this side too, and 3 for the last. Oh, there's excess. Okay, now we finished scooping the cookies right here. And now we will be putting these cookies into the oven that's been preheated for 350 degrees Celsius earlier. So, okay, now we're going to put these cookies into the 350 degrees Celsius preheated oven. So now, we gotta make sure to be careful. It's really hot. Since it's been preheated, slowly put it on the top side. Close the oven. You can first look. And we'll be baking this one for, wait for it, and 10 minutes. So now we'll be back in 10 minutes. Yeah. Done after 10 minutes. We'll check on the cookies now. It's finished. Let's see. Ooh, it looks so nice. We'll be taking this out from the oven. Put it on top. Close the oven. Whew! Look at that. Looks nice. Now we're gonna scoop it out and place them onto this tray, one by one. Yeah. Scoop the third one. Almost got it. Right there. Just gonna get this one. And last but not least, this cookie. This one right here. Here. And now these cookies will be resting for at least 5 minutes because it's really hot. This is my version, this version of the chocolate chip cookies. And you can see they're hot. They just came out of the oven. And for this thing, I'm going to try just a little nibble. That's really good. Bye.